This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Notion. To begin, create a new workspace and give it a name that reflects its purpose. Notion is incredibly flexible, allowing you to build almost anything. You can start with a blank page or choose from many pre-built templates to jumpstart your projects. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your digital life effectively and efficiently. Notion's core is built around blocks, which are individual pieces of content like text, images, or to-do lists. You can drag and drop these blocks to arrange your pages exactly how you like. Organize your information using pages and subpages, creating a hierarchical structure. Databases are powerful for managing lists, projects, or contacts, offering different views like tables or boards. Templates are your best friend for quick setup. Once comfortable with the basics, explore connecting databases to build integrated systems, like linking a project database to a tasks database. Customize how you view your data with different layouts such as tables, boards, or calendars, making information accessible at a glance. Notion also excels at collaboration. You can easily share pages with team members, set permissions, and work together in real time, boosting productivity for everyone involved. To truly master Notion, regularly review and refine your workspace. Delete old pages, consolidate information, and adjust your setup as your needs evolve. The Notion community is a fantastic resource for discovering new templates, tips, and creative uses for the platform. Don't be afraid to experiment and tailor Notion to fit your unique workflow. And speaking of efficiency, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.